Today we are going to design a logo for a cosmetic brand, and I'm gonna walk you through my process of how I organize my design project. So first I'm going to copy the brand name and the brand details into these notes and group them into a column called logo brief. If there is any other details that the client has provided, you can mention that here as well. I like to have this down at the very beginning as it helps me have a clear understanding of the starting point. Then I will create some simple to-do tasks to keep a track of my progress and group them into a column called logo process. Dividing the project into smaller steps help you stay organized and prevents creative blocks. So the first step is researching about the idea and defining the goal of the brand and creating some key points that you want to be reflected in the final design. In this design project, we are going to make a logo for a cosmetic brand named Tiwirga Organic, and Tiwirga means a dream in Berber language. I started with figuring out how we can make our brand stand out from the rest. The goal is to showcase the premium nature of the brand, and an important point is to incorporate the brand concept into it. I also looked up some competitors and dragged in the links of the websites for reference. Then moving on brainstorming, where I come up with creative ideas for the design. Next we will move on to mood boarding, which is one of my favorite steps. And it is also the most important step in defining the aesthetic of your design. Create a new board, name it, and then go to Pinterest and start saving the ideas you like onto your board. So I'm just browsing through some references on Pinterest and clipping them onto my board. The most popular places to look for inspiration is Pinterest, Behance and Dribbble. Finally, I'm gonna pick out few colors and make a color palette from the images that I have saved. Once you are satisfied with your mood board, it's time to start sketching your ideas for your logo. This is where you visualize your ideas and start to bring them into life. You don't necessarily have to be great in drawing. You just need to be able to sketch down your thoughts on paper. Now I'm gonna paste my sketch back onto a new board called Sketches. At this point, you can add your client to the project and get feedback to make sure you are in the right track.